DJI Avata. We now have even more rumors, a lot more concrete leaks and information about DJI Avata that should be upcoming very soon. Our good old Twitter from Uzita LV. He is a famous leaker on DJI information. So he said he's heard that DJI Avata has been sent out to KOLs, influencers, for evaluations. And guess what? We are now seeing this KOL, this motorcyclist, who is flying the new DJI Avata with a motion controller. So while we're at it, the DJI motion controller, we did see it in the previous FPV drone. And I don't know whether it's the new motion controller or not. However, it looks very similar as the previous DJI motion controller. So DJI Avata certainly looks like a very interesting drone, an FPV drone that can fly and controlled by the motion controller. So let's go back to the box, DJI Avata. It seems like the official name, really quite nice name, and the entire drone, the picture is out now. We're gonna see more detailed photos in a bit. It says the goggle DJI Goggles 2, which I have already shown you guys the FCC sticker label on Goggles 2. In the combo set, it seems like there is going to be DJI Goggles 2 included. It will have the ADS-B, the AirSense feature, which will allow the drone to be notified of other flying objects, and vice versa, making it very safe to fly this particular drone. We now have more pictures on the actual product, and yes, it looks actually really tiny compared to the previous DJI FPV. So it has the name written on the, I guess, the battery side, Avatar, and DJI logo here with the camera, with the cine hoop design. And in the next picture, you see the big camera, the profile view, and the other side as well. It looks really tiny, it looks fun, it looks portable. In terms of, sort of it breaking apart, is it easier to get the parts? Is it actually economical to get the parts, etc.? We will find out, I guess, in the near future. As another leaker, Jasper Allens, he points out that he's heard that DJI Avata is rumored to be launched late August, and asks opinion of Uzita LV and other Twitter accounts. And then Uzita LV reply, usually less than a month, and we are now on the 7th of August. We are in the early part of August, so we should hear something soon in the late part of August. So here is Uzita LV. He found some leaks, Avatar in the field. We see this motorcyclist again who was using the motion controller as well, and a couple of guys who has the goggle ready. And here on the ground you see the DJI Avatar. So let's see the close-up, which Uzita LV has enlarged, and yes, we can identify this. Just looks like what was in the box, just like what was in some of the leaked photos, DJI Avata here in action. So yes, as Uzita LV points out, that it seems like Avata is the first product from DJI in the second half of this year, starting from possibly in August. So now it does seem like there are actually very detailed photos on the new goggles. And as for goggles, we already have the FCC registration, the label about the goggle. You can see that this goggle, it does look much smaller, much more compact than the previous DJI goggle, which does look sort of rather big, rather chunky. Look at the antenna. This one is sort of screw in and out, so it's not foldable. However, what's very special about this new goggle, it looks like Goggles 2 for DJI Avata. It does look like this antenna. And yes, in another leak from Dill's drone, DJI Goggles V2, the new leak, and it looks like, as you can see at the side here, it looks foldable. So it looks a lot more compact than the previous product, which looked very, very chunky. So here, I think in some TikTok leak, it looks like it's sort of similar size as a very small water bottle. To finish off this quick update on DJI Avata, I want to show you some more pictures that we can find online. This is from Dill's drone, who has captured this leak from TikTok in China version. And the next picture, the closer up, it doesn't have obstacle avoidance. Then hopefully, maybe it will give pricing range a bit more affordable, because recently a lot of DJI drones were not affordable for just amateur hobbyists. So just to recap some of the features that we are expecting as per the rumors, leaks, we are expecting the DJI Avata battery to have 2420 mAh. Looking at some comments from you guys, the enthusiasts, the drone FPV enthusiasts, it seems like it may give the juice of about 20 minutes. And as a recap from Dill's drone from May this year, some of the rumored features that DJI Avata would have, and the design, yes, as we've seen in the pictures, it looks compact. The weight about 500 grams, which is not as compact as one would like compared to, the mini series that was under 250 grams. It can fly indoors, a little heavy for that, but apparently it can because that's the whole point of having Cineroop. The photo quality is supposed to be much better, around Mini 3 Pro, the same. Greatly improved battery life. Manual mode is not supported, and that would disappoint a lot of FPV enthusiasts. Maybe it's just for the beginners, make it very easy to use. Head chase mode, vibration function, touchpad for glasses menu. Glasses can connect to phone. So I'm sure we'll hear even more news because we are now expecting DJI Avata to be released by around the end of August. So I'm sure we'll be hearing a lot more news on this new drone, DJI Avata, the mini FPV drone, and I'll keep you guys posted on the information. So do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and wait for more news, and see you!